I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins with the Brownfield Market Minute. Commodity markets are closed in observance of Good Friday, but here are some of the things the trade's going to be keeping an eye on over this long holiday weekend. Soybeans and corn are going to be keeping an eye on potential damage and flooding from rainfall in a storm that's expected to hit much of the Midwest over the next couple of days. It is going to bring heavy rainfall to parts of the region, which could cause some flooding in some areas, but that soil moisture recharge is definitely going to be welcome, as longer-term forecasts for a lot of the Midwest and parts of the plains look fairly dry during some key parts of the growing season. Wheat's also keeping an eye on the weather, specifically rainfall chances for parts of the southern U.S. plains and those rainfall chances for parts of the eastern Midwest. Again, those rainfall chances look a little bit better to the east than they do to the west. That could cause some issues for the U.S. soft red winter crop. Live and feeder cattle are going to be digesting the USDA's cattle on feed numbers, which came out on Thursday and looked neutral to maybe a little bit bearish, but that's also going to be dependent on domestic and export demand for beef, in addition to what happens with the rest of the week's direct cash cattle business after some light but higher trade that occurred on Thursday. And as for the hogs, they are also going to continue to monitor demand, both domestic and export demand, and continue to keep an eye out for any public progress in tariff negotiations with some key U.S. trading partners. Commodity market trade resumes on Monday morning. I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins with the Brownfield Market Minute.